on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making Marry Me ground beef soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 1/4 cup of beef broth, 3 cups of heavy cream, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 3 cups of bowtie pasta, parsley flakes for garnish, 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1 medium onion diced, 1 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 3 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. In my pot over medium heat, I'm going to add my tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Next, I'm going to add in my onion. And I'm going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add in my minced garlic. I'm going to saute that for 1 minute. Now I'm going to add in my ground beef. We're going to go ahead and break it down into small pieces. You want to make sure that it's mixed well with your onion and your garlic. Now to a small bowl, I'm going to add in my adobo all-purpose seasoning, smoked paprika, onion powder, my black pepper, and garlic powder. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to take our seasoning and we're going to sprinkle it over top of our ground beef. You want to go ahead and make sure it's mixed in well. And we're going to continue to cook our ground beef until it's all the way brown. And guys, you want to break down your ground beef as small as possible. You don't want to have large chunks in it. Once your ground beef is done cooking, we're going to remove it from our pot and we're going to drain it of all excess grease. Then you can set it to the side. Now to the same pot, we're going to add in our beef broth. We're going to add in our bowtie pasta and also our sun-dried tomatoes. You want to go ahead and give that a mix. We're going to let that come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to add in our cream cheese. You want to mix it until the cream cheese melts. You can lower your heat some, and we're going to let that simmer for about 6 minutes. You want to make sure that you stir occasionally. After 6 minutes, you want to go ahead and add in your ground beef. We're going to mix that in. We're going to add in our heavy cream. You can go ahead and mix it. And guys, if you want your soup to be thinner, all you do is add a little bit more beef broth. So we're going to go ahead and bring this back up to a boil. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my Italian seasoning and also my crushed red pepper flakes. And I'm just going to add just a little bit more of my garlic powder. And I'm going to go ahead and give that a mix. And you guys can go ahead and give it a taste. And if you want to adjust any of your seasonings, you can do it now. Once it comes to a boil, you want to go ahead and lower your heat some. And we're going to let it simmer for another 6 to 8 minutes or until your bowtie pasta is al dente. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and mix it. Look how delicious that looks. Now we can go ahead and sprinkle in our shredded Parmesan cheese. And we're going to go ahead and mix it until it's all the way melted. And you can turn off your heat. Okay guys, you can put some garlic bread on the side of your Marry Me ground beef soup. And all I'm going to do now is sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes over top for some color. And here we have it, guys. A delicious comfort meal, our Marry Me ground beef soup. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?